Welcome back to Arry the Stag. TR Tony here, just out and about on a nice summer's afternoon, driving the Stag in the British countryside down in Dorset. It's been a really good afternoon, just pulled over, have a bit of a break, and just thought I'd show you very quickly the windbreak that I've got behind here. It's something that came with the car when I got the car, and I just think it's very handy, especially if the other half is with me. She's not there today, but the hair gets a bit of a mess and she loves this thing. So let me just walk you around it, because I don't think everybody's got one, and there are a few different adaptations that you can get as well. So let's have a quick look. So here she is, the Red Barrow in all her glory. I'm just pulled over in a little lay-by to admire the car. Yes, I know it does need a bit of clean, so thank you for not writing in. It's been out and about this afternoon. We've been through a bit of dust and whatever, but anyhow, she's looking great. Roof down, tonneau obviously concealing the convertible hood, which is really good. And you can see there is the Perspex glass windbreak, dutifully positioned. Very clever bit of design. You've got a kind of windbreak here. This vinyl sheet can actually be tucked in underneath this tonneau if you want. So you can lift your tonneau up and you can pull that tight such that you then get a decent deck on the back, which I think is kind of quite nice. As it is, it's quite handy to keep the wind out from behind you, so you tend to be a little bit more insulated with that tucked in behind the front seats. It has a kind of bit of 2x1 wood, I think, with obviously vinyl wrapped around it, and this then is popped onto the back, so that's your rear decking if you want it. Perspex glass, as I mentioned, I don't know what thickness, but it's quite a thick Perspex, and nicely surrounded with a bit of rubber trim to make sure that you don't cut yourself or whatever. Love the branding. So this is an original Stag one that came with the car. Actually, it was a nice surprise when we got this car at the auction. It was in the boot, so some kind soul who owned it previously had left it in, which was really nice. And there you can see, here we have the Arry the Stag badge of honour, and if you want one so you can share the Classics dream with us, just get in touch via the website, and you can get one anywhere in the world free of charge from us to stick on your car as well. Doesn't have to be a Stag, by the way, it can be any car. We're quite happy. So that's all good. And whilst I was talking, I'm just reviewing the video just now, just thought I'd show you how this rear decking works. It's got a couple of hooks with a little bit of rubberized tensioners on there, so you can actually hook it around the kind of front of the roof, the convertible roof here. Here's one that I've prepared earlier, and it doesn't grip on that well, but it just kind of pulls the decking tight. And trying to do this single-handedly, of course, roughly just a bit of rough. There we are. Just keeps it flat across the whole deck. And then of course when you slam your top down, you can see then you actually got a quite nice insulated storage area. You could get a couple of suitcases or overnight bags in there, and that would be good. So kind of quite neat and tidy. Yeah. Extra storage, fabulous. You can see it's fixed here by some loose bits of Velcro. It's about 1.5 to 2 inches straps of Velcro, and they go through the slot on the back here. So that's how it ties around to the T-bar. It's quite rigid and solid. It doesn't flap around if you tighten it up quite nicely, and it does make a big difference to the cabin, because as you're driving along, you know, it does get quite buffety in there. I mean, you know, we are driving a V8 here, folks, 3-litre Grand Tourer. You'd expect a little bit of buffeting, but unfortunately my other half complains that it messes up her hair when we're driving along country lanes, so therefore this is semi-permanently in place to make sure that doesn't happen. It's got a couple of little pegs on this bit of 2x1 here that secures it in a hole on this chrome surround, and yeah, I think it just adds a little je ne sais quoi to the whole driving experience. And actually on inclement days you can do both windows up as well, so these windows obviously wind up and you're actually quite enclosed, which I think is quite nice. And if you're just hopping out at the services or just hopping out whatever, then a quick cloth over the top of it can insulate it from any light rain that you might have. Yeah, it's useful to have this. Came in the boot, as I say, when we bought the car at auction, and I know from several bits of feedback from Stag owners that I think there's an Audi, forgive me what sort, it might be Audi A4 kind of mesh version of this. You can actually buy them modern, and they fit this hole. It actually flips up and down like so with a mesh surround it. When I find it, when I get back, I'll put the link in the description so you can see for yourself if you're interested in getting hold of one. I don't know if you can still get hold of these wind deflectors. It'd be interesting if anybody knows of that. That would be good. I don't know if any of the James Paddock or anybody like that still sells them. I know I did have a contact a little while ago, tried to replicate them, but I think the cost of doing it was much more prohibitive than actually the value of what we could have charged for it. So I think it kind of ended there. But anyhow, there we are. It's out and about in the Triumph Stag in hot July weather. What's not to like? So there you go, guys. We don't give marriage guidance counselling on the Arry the Stag channel, but this is probably closest to it. If you want to keep your other half happy and the hair in one place, apart from wearing some headscarves, yeah, buy one of these, and I think you'll be very, very popular, as indeed I am whenever I take her out in this car. Happy days. What can be wrong with that? Good stuff, guys. Have a great week, and we'll see you online on Arry the Stag very soon. Cheers.